ByteMail needs to make more modifications to their package sorting machine. The company wants to display the final shipping price for every package, even if the package does not have a shipping surcharge. This means that instructions need to be written after the if statement. Let's examine our sorting machine to determine how to do this. Currently, our machine has one entrance and two exits. One exit represents the path taken by packages when the condition is true. The other exit represents the path taken when the condition is false. Notice that each path connect together afterwards. There is a good reason for this. The program will execute the remaining code that follows the if statement regardless of the path it takes. Let's look at our example once again. If the package weight variable is greater than 8 kilograms, we will add $5 to the cost and display a message. Immediately after completing these two instructions, we will display a second message which will show the increased shipping price. On the other hand, if the package weight variable is less than 8 kilograms, the program will not execute any of the instructions in between the curly braces, but will still display the final shipping price of $10. Notice that in both cases, we displayed the final message. Now, let's apply these changes to ByteMail's machine. In the code editor, add a message right after the closing curly brace. Write a console.log instruction here. The instruction should display a message containing a final shipping price. Remember to use the addition symbol to add the variable to the output. Once you are done adding the message, run your code and assign to package weight a value greater than 8 kilograms. Then, run it again with a value less than 8 kilograms. Notice what happens in both cases.